I have started my podcasting journey very recently. The improvement that I felt during this journey has been remarkable. I don't shy away from speaking anymore in front of anyone. Also, it has improved my mental conditioning. I always look forward to it every time. My dear friends, I feel inspired. Initially, I was a bit greedy about the number of listeners and comments and responses that I am receiving, for which I was going a little wayward, but I eventually realized that I'm doing this podcast for myself. I'm not doing this for anyone. Tomorrow, if I get stuck in any life situation, then I can definitely use these episodes as a guide for me. Hello everyone, how are you all? This is your host Devottam and you are listening to Better You, Better Life, a self-improvement plan SIP podcast season 1 episode 28. In this episode, I am going to discuss with you the benefits of podcasting that I have experienced while starting my podcasting journey. I am here to share some of the benefits that I have realized in this journey till now and why I encourage you also to start your own podcasting journey. The first benefit that I have experienced is that of enhanced learning and knowledge. Podcasting offers a wide range of educational content, allowing listeners to access valuable information on various topics. Whether it's history, sports, science, personal development, or storytelling, podcast provides an engaging and convenient way to expand your knowledge and learn from experts in different fields. Next benefit which I have experienced is of productive multitasking. Now, you might be wondering that multitasking is something which is not encouraged in these days anymore. But trust me, one of the major benefits of podcasting is the ability to multitask while listening. Meanwhile, I do my recording, I can develop my own script, then I do editing and fine tune my recording quality. I didn't realize that I have all those skills before determining to start my podcasting journey. All these might sound overwhelming, but once you enjoy the process, this doesn't feel like a workload anymore. Unlike other forms of media such as videos or articles, podcast can be enjoyed while performing other activities like exercising, commuting, or doing household chores. This has allowed me to make the most of my time and transform mundane tasks into opportunities for personal growth and environment. Also, entertainment, because it always someone like a teacher, it always allows me, it guides me, and I'm able to retain more good points in the form of learnings and lessons which I am able to apply in my daily life, both in professional as well as personal. The third benefit which I have experienced while doing my podcast is that inspiration and motivation. See, podcasts often feature interviews with successful individuals, thought leaders, and industry experts. Though I haven't started interviewing any of my other individuals. It has been monologue so far, but I'm working on it. But listening to other podcasts, can be highly inspiring and provide valuable insights into their experiences, challenges, and strategies for success that you can emulate in your respective life. Listening to such stories and perspectives can boost motivation, and it has instilled new ideas and encourage personal and professional growth. I do monocasting where I research a topic and bring out a topic that I encounter in my daily life and then speak about it. You never know, right? As I said, I'm doing it for myself, that you never know whom you will get inspired from listening to your story. So that is the power. That is the best part I like about podcasting. It has also helped me in utilizing my time in a more effective way rather than wasting it on social media, scrolling on top to down reels, notifications, then looking all those useless cringe videos in YouTube. At least I can do some research on something in productive. The fourth benefit which I have realized is that of entertainment and relaxation. Podcasts are not only limited to educational and informational content alone. They can cover a wide range of genres like comedy, storytelling, true crime, and fiction. These entertaining podcasts can serve as a source of relaxation, escapism, and enjoyment. Podcasts offer a break from your daily routines, allowing listeners to unwind and immerse themselves in captivating narratives, or engaging conversations. You can also choose a genre of your interest and start recording your own show. I strongly recommend you. The fifth and final benefit which I will discuss in this episode is that of connection and community. Well, I humbly admit that I'm still struggling in this part right now, but some of you might have those connecting skills for which the journey becomes much easier for you. You know what? Podcasts often create a sense of connection and community among listeners. They can provide a platform for people with shared interests to come together, discuss topics, and engage in conversations. There are many podcasts encourage listeners interaction through social media, live events, or dedicated online communities, fostering a sense of belonging and shared enthusiasm among fans. And this is a very good medium. Like other experts, I also believe that this is an emerging industry in India and can have lots of career opportunities as well. You need not to be a very like a reporter from BBC or radio jockey or a very good native English speaker. All you need is a decent quality recording device and a purpose to start your journey. On a concluding note, overall what I have experienced that podcasting has the potential that it offers a unique combination of educational, entertaining, and community building benefits, making this a valuable and enriching medium for personal and intellectual growth. So, my friends, if I can start my journey from scratch and you can too, don't run behind numbers or stop thinking of yourself as an overnight expert. Just speak it out and you will observe connections will emerge automatically. I wish you all the best, and I request you to also encourage others with whom you can collaborate and start your own podcasting show. So I'm looking forward to listening to your podcasting show. Share your link in the comments below, and thank you for giving me this opportunity to sharing my experience. I hope this episode was of some encouragement and usefulness to you. In the next episode, we will try to discuss a new aspect or new topic in order to become better version of ourselves. Till then, enjoy your week. This is your host Devottam signing off.